Well, my name is Jay Keswani, J as in Jay. I'm into packaging, primary packaging. We started with flexibles, and then 10 years down the road, we extended into rigid plastics. We have 4 units of 1000 kW each in gas, 2 of 1000 kVA each in diesel, and 1 of 500 kVA in diesel. So in all, we have 7 sets. These units, they simply generate electricity on which this factory runs. We do not have any power supply from any other source. We run 7 days a week, at times 365 days a year. When the season is good and business is good, when it slows down, we reduce the number of sets, but we do not stop production. Because with 2 diesels generators as a standby always available, if there's a downtime on any one of the gas generators, the diesel generator kicks off. So we really don't have a downtime, and we have very good service from Mantrac, Nigeria. One phone call and they are here, whether it's a Saturday, Sunday or a public holiday, they don't say no to us. They are always available. And that is that is what is keeping us with them all the time. We have had competitors come in, offered sets, offer incentives, but nothing can make me change my mind, because I don't have any grid power connection. From the national grid, I have no connection. So if something happened to my sets, I would shut down. I would not be in business anymore.
My name is Mr. Kela. I am the chief engineer of this company, handling all utilities, maintenance of the generator, compressor, chillers, and the new development projects, installation of machines and all that thing. The entire premises has been maintained under my supervision. It is cost effective if you maintain the engine properly. There are some things which you have to do at particular intervals. If you ignore that one, that at the end of the day, or we can say you will cost more to repair the same thing.
We have a full-fledged qualified team of engineers who look after the sets, who maintain the sets, but there are occasions where a laptop and a program is needed to identify and know what the problem is with the engine. We invite them, and if it's beyond our own scope of doing it, we ask them to do it for us. We service our generators by ourselves at all times. We don't call them for servicing our generators. We are now fully qualified by Mantrac themselves that we know how to look after our generators. Not only that, we keep a stock of all the spares, all the necessary spares or usables that we would need from time to time.
Your engineers are highly qualified in that one. So when they are coming, they are also like to identify the problem first. What is the problem in terms of technical way, not like just come and tell to replace this or replace that. We will analyze the problem and we will identify properly the problem, what is the root cause and all that thing, and then we will work on the engine as per that one.
When we first bought the set, the very first set in 1999, we were told that Mantrac would assume responsibility for a breakdown if only we maintained using genuine parts, including the engine oil. Now, engine oil is something every second oil company makes of the grade that is recommended for use. But this company in the last 20 years has not used a drop of oil from any other place other than Mantrac.
We realize not only oil, every component what we are using for Caterpillar, it is coming from the G9 source. So when you are using the G9 these components, whether it is oil, parts, you will get the life when you are running the engine for long run. And it can if you play with that for the small price saving for the parts or the oil, all these things, we maybe lose the efficiency of the engine also, which we will not come to know immediately. So we are using all the parts from Caterpillar supplied by Mantrac.
And we are very happy. We don't mind paying a little more than what it would cost otherwise. But then we enjoy all the warranties and troubleshooting that occurs. 2002, 17 years I have a set running at 100% efficiency. What more can I ask for?